Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, this video I'll show how to create YouTube thumbnail. So I'm just search YouTube thumbnail and showing YouTube thumbnail templates and make your video start to online and grow your channel reach no matter what niche you are in. Our free YouTube thumbnail template helps to give you audience and preview to your awesome content. So guys, now I am more YouTube thumbnails because I'm using Canva Premium, Canva Pro or Premium. This is the educations group. So guys, now I'm just customize this template, top 5 top 10 fitness. So just customize for a special font. So guys, let's start today's video. Okay, now this character I'm just zoom extra level. Okay, I'm just change the circle. Okay, and now top content I'm change text color and my favorite font and click ungroup or delete. Okay, now top 10. So I'm just paste here and this font and delete. So now this is the white and I'm just duplicate here. I'm just change the color or text font. So guys, this is the last finishing and result. So guys, goodbye, see you next time.